This is Mike Brown with IMMI. Just wanting to show the gist of our Pines Bender. Serial numbers 13800-97089. It's a 40 size and it's a right-hand rotation bender. We'll do a walk around here real quick. We have several dies that go with the machine. These here are the ones we use, the three that are on top of the cabinet and the one that's installed. We bend anything from 3/4 inch tube up to 1.25 inch, and also 1.25 inch square tubing. This will all be included. We've got several collets. We've probably got around 15 to 20 collets total. The bending we use, pretty straightforward. I'm going to run a few pieces through just to show the machine. The first run I'll do will be a dry run without the machine, but part of the reason this is the main control power. The other box that was down the side there is where the drives and whatnot and the DIN rails are all set up at, but this here is the main power box. Coming around to the other side is the control system. It's got the hard drives in there, the keyboard, mouse, monitor. We put a new Dell monitor on it here a while back. That's the control stand over there. Along with it obviously comes this table. Also that is a safety mat that'll go with it. Obviously if anybody steps on it, it automatically has a limit switch that kills power to the machine. It doesn't completely shut it off, but it does shut the pump off. We also have I believe 1.5 55-gallon barrels of hydraulic fluid that will come with this. We bought one obviously originally to fill the machine, and just had a second one in stock for when it comes time to do PMs on it and change out the fluid. That's really about it. We'll set it up and run it. If you look at our inventory over here, the other reason we're doing the video is because we need to move that product in place of this, and it's taking up room. So by videoing, at least everybody can see the machine in action, because we're going to be unhooking it here in the next day or two and putting it off to the side. That way we can start putting more product in our warehouse. We've used the machine for about a year now. It's done what we need it to do, but our weld fab operation has moved to a different facility, and this is one of the things that they do not need, because they have their own bender at that facility. Another thing also is I have large casters that this machine was shipped on, and when I unhook it, I'm going to install those casters back on, so whoever purchases it obviously can roll it in and out. Makes life a lot easier moving something like this. So for right now, we'll set the machine up, and we'll do a dry run first and run a couple of pieces afterwards. Another thing about this machine is we do have all the service and repair manuals for it. I believe there's 4 manuals in all. I'll go on ahead and